over there.
Oh, there is? Let's see. Whoa.
Daddy, do you see us?
I do. He's on the log?
Yeah. He's hiding in turtle shell.
Oh, he is? I do. He's over there. Let's keep going. Maybe there's more animals.
Okay. More animals?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe more animals?
It's windy.
It's
Mm-hmm. Yeah, keep going.
Thank you. Yeah.
You think just more animals?
Yeah, this is a nice walk, isn't it? It was very windy. Look at the trees moving.
Whoa, is it moving?
It's moving.
Maybe just more animals.
Yeah.
Maybe there are more animals. Come on.
Maybe there's more animals.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside the palace. Let me see. Yeah, let's go see.
Her father apparently was part of the.
It's just a dome.
And it's a dome.
Too bad we couldn't take a picture here. There was a wedding.
Do you hear yourself? Echo, echo, echo.
You want to be loud?
But don't scream. You can't scream.
Here, let me close this.
Oh.
Close it so you can hold it. You want to hold it? Yep. That's it. That's it. You gotta stay with daddy and mommy.
Whoa. Just swim.
Whoa, you wanna go see the ducks? Oh, Vincent, get out the way. Come on.
Whoa.
Over here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yep.
Swimming in the water?
Look, a swan.
What?
Or a pelican, the bigger bird.
A pelican.
Pelican bird and seagulls.
I never seen that one.
Oh, it's your first time looking at a pelican?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look, duck.
Ducks? No, they're seagulls.
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 Mommy, have you seen a pelican?
The pelicans? Where?
There's a pelican over there.
A pelican over here swimming in the water.
Oh, pelican. You're right. I see it. Is it gray?
No.
Yeah, it's gray.
Wow.
Let's keep going. Vincent, come here, Vincent. You want me to hold your water? Or you want to hold your water? Okay. Okay.
You need to put do you need to put your hat on, Vincent? You want to put a hat on? We'll put it in the lake. Let's go.
Come on. Whoa, it's so windy. Let's keep going. A fountain? The fountain? Oh, we didn't see the swan today, Vincent.
We didn't see this one.
No, we didn't. Yeah, maybe it's hiding today.
Maybe it's hiding in the water.
Oh, yeah, we didn't see him today. It's okay.
Maybe it's hiding in the water.
Yeah.
The fountain was swimming in the water.
He was. Did you saw seagulls and a pelican bird?
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh. Okay, let's sit here and wait for mommy.
Stay here.
Yep.
You know what this place is called? It's called Palace of Fine Art.
Wow, it's your favorite.
You want to pick one for Mimi?
No, you're eating right now.
Oh, yeah, let's go. It's okay, next time.
Next time.
Yeah.
Next time we will pick the flower.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
thank you, Vincent.
But that's a bat.
Is that a map?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just information.
Oh.
That's not a map. That's the city on Walk back around.
You want to cut through the dome?
Yeah, whichever way is
Yeah, the donkey.
Okay, then you follow Daddy if you don't want to hold my hand.
Come on, let's go.
Careful.
Whoa. Come on, Miss It. Come on, Miss It. He's fine. Come on, Miss It. Vincent, be careful. Let people through.
Stop.
Hey.
Stop.
Okay. This way.
Stop.
We can walk this way. It's fine.
You okay then?
Oh. Yeah, go ahead.
Did you follow Daddy?
We're gonna go hop into this quinceañera shop. Go for it.